Hey, what's up guys, I'm SP as your host and welcome to TechErrorEliminator channel. So pretty much today I'm going to this is a video on Tor Browser exploring into the world of darkness 3. This is a part 3 guys, so stay tuned. Before that, let me show something. The video which I did exploring into the world of darkness 2, which is part 2, Tor Browser part 2 video, on that my first genuine commenter, his name is Pro Gamer, so huge shout out to him, and he gave a genuine and awesome reply. I mean, he just commented, which is awesome, and let me take a look at that comment. So try to make short videos. 45 minutes are too much for one video, so shout out to you, bro. You just made my day, and Pro Gamer, you are awesome. Thank you for that comment, and I would like to take a serious action on this. So let me take this to up to an extent, so I can make I mean 10 to 15 minutes vid on this topic, because this is so interesting, right? And I gave a reply to him that, here it is. Thank you for your suggestion, and congratulations, you are the first genuine commenter on this channel. If I make any giveaway, you will be the first person. So Pro Gamer will be the first person who going to receive that product. So huge shout out to him. So whenever if I make any reviews, any product reviews, he will the first person going to receive. So if you guys want to receive, give some comments and give some likes and subscribe to my channel if you are new around here. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let me take a look at in the Tor Browser, and how much may that happen. Okay, oops, let me close this. Let me open the Tor Browser. Don't bother about this, because this literally same as a hidden wiki. So I don't know, I should not do this. Expanding the browsers tab, which may leads to information leakage. So let it be, because I'm using virtual machine here. There is no information which belongs to me in the virtual machine. So if you don't know what is virtual machine, you have no idea, so let me do another video on that. So let's get started. Let me go some of the other links. Torch, wait. Okay, you know what, Torch, this is a site which is similar to Google. In a surface web, you go to Google, google.com, just right, you search something, right? This works similar, so you can pretty much ask for anything. These are all the advertisement. This is a Tor warehouse, stolen and carded merchandise. This is all bullshit. So let me go here. Bit cards. Buy a card, debit card, credit card, whatever card is, for Bitcoin. PayPal accounts. Oh my gosh, this is awful. Let me go there and let me explore some things. In the last video we pretty much gone through some of the let me go through commercial service. This is awesome because you can rent an hacker. Yeah, let me click on this link. Okay, this website, you can see on the topmost, this is a link. I'm not doing any tricks. I did not edited any video. This video, this is a video what I recorded. I'm putting in front of the screen. That's all. I did not edited any video. This video, and I did not anything. In this website, I can pretty much hire a hacker, give some bitcoins and hire a hacker. So let me go through this website. Experienced hackers offering his service illegal. They have clearly mentioned that this is an illegal. So this is awesome. Let me this is a price, guys, which is 50 euros. Literally they have to convert into the bitcoins so they can give into the bitcoin. Technical skills the hackers got: web development, HTML, PHP and SQL, Apache, and assemble and I can't spell that, and CPP and C. Everyday exploits, highly personalized Trojan. You guys don't know what is Trojan? That is a piece of code which runs behind the computer, host computer. That thing sends all the personal details to the hacker. So this is what Trojan means. Bots and DDoS is a famous attack. Distributed denial of service. This is the highest. This is the deadliest attack to take any server down. So I have no idea about this anonymity. No one ever find who I am. So this is all. No one can find him. That's what I'm saying. And this is a social engineering skills. They got some. You can, if you want, you can just read all this by pausing the video. So I would like what I would do. So I will do anything for money. Literally, that hacker can do anything for money. I'm not pussy. This guy is awful. The developer of this website is awful. If you want me to destroy some business or person's life, I will do it. Some example: simple hacking, something technically causing a lot of troubles and websites, network disturb, and you can pretty much pause the video and you can read that, because I'm not going through this. Pause the video and read all that if you are interested. Okay, literally this is the what you say, this is a payment process. If you want to offer, if you want to allot him anything, just let me take a look. Small jobs, for example, email and Facebook hacking, installing Trojans or small DDoS, literally 250 euros, which is nothing but 0.034 bitcoins. So quantity, I don't know how the hell he just do that. Okay, if you want to install a Trojan, pretty much you should give $250. If you want if you want to do some DDoS attack, which is awesome attack, in a small amount, 0.034 bitcoin. That's all. And another thing, medium large job ruining people's exponage, and website hacking, DDoS for big website. DDoS, distributed denial of service. This is the worst attack ever. this can take pretty much any website. He pretty much take about 500 euros, which is double of this, 250, on which is first this large job which can takes a few days, or multiple smaller jobs, DDoS for protected website. In third section you can take up to the next level. So if that website got something awesome which is fully protected, he want to increase his money, and Bitcoin money, whatever, and he will increase his attacks, so which costs for 900 euros, which is 0.123 bitcoins. That's insane. This is upgrade. This is the fourth option. Instant reply within 30 to 60 minutes instead of 24 to 36 hours for urgent cases. If I need not longer, this will get refund. Oh my goodness, he can make a refund. I think this can go as a scam. Giving someone money and asking for refund, this does not make any sense. The hacker, whoever took the money, he will not give it back. So please don't do this. If you are exploring into the world of darkness, in the Tor browser, only buy this together with one. Okay, it literally takes off for upgradation of the account. In the case any emergency, 20 to 36 hours, he will take literally takes 1 to 2 days to make some attacks or something. By upgrading your account, he can reply instantly. So that costs for $0.027 bitcoins. This is awful. You can pretty much register here, as you're seeing on the screen. This asks for username, password, repeated password, and per captcha on the screen. That's all, which is not given by the Google, because Google does not own this website. This is an anonymous site. Okay, let me take a look at login. Okay, this pretty much asks for username, password, and a captcha code. And that's all for this video, guys. If you like, give a like. If you are new around here, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video, because I would like to wrap this, because one of my subscriber, one of my commenter, he comment me on the comment section to make a short video. So he was the first genuine commenter, right? So I would like to obey his request. So thank you for watching this video, and huge shout out for the pro gamer. Thank you, guys.